Guy who plays on Sunday, it's my job to pick what hasn't been played yet. And I said, I can guarantee this one will probably not have been heard yet. Might have to nix some others, but this one's safe. Here we go.
Chorus, verse, chorus. Here we go. Yep. Start on the chorus. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Man, here's some news. You can print it if you choose, just to show that times have changed a lot. And though it may sound strange to you, this is absolutely true. You can believe it or not. Since making whoopee became all the rage, it even got to the old bird cage, and my canary has circles under his eyes. He used to whistle a prisoner song, now he does snake hips the whole day long, and my canary has circles under his eyes. His only pals are the yellow lark, just the tiny sparrow. Still I fear when he's in the park, he leaves us straight and narrow. I raised that bird in a manner so strict, now I have a feeling I'm being tricked, 'cause my canary has circles under his eyes. Play it, Dave. Are the yellow lark, just the tiny sparrow. Still I fear when he's in the park, he leads us straight and narrow. But I raised that bird in a manner so strict, now I've a feeling I'm being tricked, and my canary has circles under his eyes. Hey, wonderful.